Hey, my name is Alex Weber, and I have just wrapped production on my course here with Thrive Courses, and I've had an incredible experience. I think what impacts me, or what I connect with most, is when people care about what they do. And that is what I felt most about Thrive Courses and the Thrive Courses team, is that I really feel like they care about me and the message that I want to get out to the world. Building a course and getting it out is not the easiest process, and having a partner that is accountable and really feels like they have your back it means a lot. And I'm excited and thankful to be working with them. My girlfriend jokes that I've had create a course on my whiteboard for over a year now. And I'm an ambitious person, and when something goes on the whiteboard, it gets crossed off, and I feel like this one was looming because I didn't really know how to go about it. It has so many different pieces. It's an elaborate, moving project, and it's sometimes tough to bite off or how to go about that. And what I believe Thrive Course does so wonderfully is gives you a one-stop shop for getting your message out to the world, and peace of mind and accountability and strategy and support to do that.